Yes, that's a great Airbus related question. We've added a link to my flex temperature YouTube video. You might want to watch that first before going into this question, as the solution is actually in the video. We will again apply the ruling out of the incorrect answers. Off you go, Fabian.
So answer A. It is supposed that the assumed temperature method, or flex takeoff, can only be used by selecting a lower assumed temperature than the actual outside air temperature at the airport. That is incorrect, since with the assumed temperature method, we want to reduce the thrust in order to reduce wear of the engine, resulting in a longer lifespan and reduced maintenance costs. Since the upper limit of the engine thrust at airport elevation, however, is limited by the ambient air temperature, we would have to select higher temperatures for the flex takeoff in order to achieve the reduction in thrust.
Answer C. Now this one is super misleading, as some of it is correct and the other half is false. So the first bit, by entering the selected outside temperature value, the engine will produce a greater amount of thrust, is incorrect because it actually does the opposite. But the part of a higher selected outside air temperature value will tell the engine that the air is warmer is correct. And the second sentence again is incorrect. The right thing to say would be less fuel is required to maintain the correct fuel to air ratio.
Now answer D. Well, this one is complete nonsense now. The selected outside air temperature is actually a parameter that comes out of the takeoff performance calculation and which needs to be put into the aircraft's computer so that they can adjust the thrust accordingly.
Last but not least, answer B is correct, because yes, by pretending that the outside air temperature is much higher than the actual one, the engine control computer thinks it is warmer, hence less air density, therefore it reduces the fuel to air ratio and outputs a lower thrust setting. Little side note, in Airbus planes it's flex temperature, and in Boeing planes it's derated thrust and assumed temperature. Happy with that, Fabian?
Very happy.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.